Every decade, the universe becomes bigger, stranger, less predictable, and more humbling. Right now, somewhere in the galaxy, a planet is moving through the void. No star, no light, no witness, just gravity guiding its silent journey. And we only know about it because for a brief moment, it bent the light of a distant star. And energy can come from within. Which means, the scariest possibility isn't just that rogue planets exist, it's that life might exist in total darkness. Final reflection, the psychological twist. What makes this discovery feel terrifying isn't the immediate danger. It's the reminder of how little we see. We once believed our solar system was everything. Then we discovered exoplanets, then black holes, then dark matter. We live on one of the rare worlds that has light. That alone is extraordinary. And yet, some scientists speculate that rogue planets could still host life. If a planet is large enough, its core may remain warm from radioactive decay. If it has a thick hydrogen atmosphere, it could trap heat like a cosmic blanket. Beneath miles of ice, there might be liquid oceans. Similar to what we suspect beneath the surface of moons like Europa, life doesn't always need sunlight. The terrifying part? We might only detect it when it's already close. Here's a truth that feels almost philosophical. The universe is mostly dark. Stars are rare islands of brightness in an ocean of blackness. If rogue planets truly outnumber stars in the Milky Way, then most worlds in our galaxy exist in permanent night. No sunsets, no shadows, no blue skies, just endless dark. And it approaches the outer edges of our solar system, near the Kuiper Belt. At first, nothing seems wrong. Then astronomers notice subtle shifts, comets slightly off course, gravitational anomalies, tiny orbital disturbances. Months later, simulations confirm it. A massive object is passing through. Even if it never hits Earth, its gravity could destabilize long-period comets, increasing impact risks over centuries. Not immediate destruction, but long-term chaos. This suggests something even stranger. Some rogue planets may have formed alone, never belonging to a star in the first place. Imagine a universe where planets can be born without sunlight, without warmth, without ever knowing what a sunrise looks like. Let's imagine something uncomfortable. A Jupiter-sized rogue planet drifting silently through interstellar space. It doesn't glow. It doesn't reflect much light. That's how scientists at NASA detect them. Not by seeing the planet itself, but by watching what it does to light. And that means there could be thousands we haven't detected yet. Recent deep-field observations with the James Webb Space Telescope have revealed clusters of free-floating planetary mass objects. Entire groups. Not just one, not just two, but dozens drifting together in star-forming regions like the Orion Nebula. And somewhere right now, one of them is drifting through the galaxy. There is something deeply disturbing about objects that don't shine. We are used to danger being visible. Fire glows, stars burn, explosions flash, but rogue planets, they are cold, dark. Almost impossible to see unless they pass in front of a distant star, bending its light through gravity in a phenomenon called gravitational microlensing. Not because they aren't there, but because they don't shine. Narrator's soft, reflective tone. The terrifying part isn't that NASA found something dangerous. It's that they found something invisible. A reminder that the universe is not just filled with light, it's filled with darkness. And in that darkness, entire worlds are wandering alone, unseen, unheard, unknown. It sounds like science fiction. But remember, decades ago, exoplanets themselves sounded impossible. This discovery forces us to rethink what a planet really is. We used to believe planets belonged to stars. Now we know some are cosmic nomads, drifters, exiles of gravitational wars. It also raises a deeper question. How many hidden worlds are out there that we will never see? Alter comet trajectories, slightly shift Earth's orbit, and in cosmic terms, slight changes can mean catastrophic consequences over time. Without a star, rogue planets become some of the coldest objects in the galaxy. Temperatures could drop below -200 degrees Celsius. Yet, here's the twist. Some scientists speculate that if a rogue planet has a thick atmosphere or internal radioactive heating, it could maintain subsurface oceans beneath ice. Life hidden under darkness. They don't reflect much light. They don't shine. They are almost invisible against the blackness of space. Here's the question everyone asks. Could a rogue planet collide with Earth? The probability is extremely low. Space is unimaginably vast, but if a massive rogue object passed near our solar system, its gravity alone could disrupt planetary orbits. Even a close pass could disturb the asteroid belt. That is the fate of a rogue world. What makes this discovery unsettling isn't just that rogue planets exist, it's how many there may be. Recent observations suggest there might be more rogue planets than stars in the Milky Way. Let that sink in. More dark, invisible planets wandering alone than there are shining stars lighting up the sky. Some scientists believe these planets could even pass relatively close to our solar system, silently, undetected until they are near. They are thrown out. In young solar systems, gravity is chaotic. Massive planets pull on each other in violent interactions. One wrong gravitational move, and a planet gets slingshotted into deep space. Imagine being Earth, suddenly ripped away from the sun. Within days, temperatures would plummet. Within weeks, oceans would begin freezing from the top down. Within months, the planet would become a frozen sphere drifting endlessly. Astronomers call it a rogue planet. A planet that has been violently ejected from its solar system. Using powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have identified objects drifting freely in interstellar space. Some of them are the size of Jupiter. Others may be smaller, Earth-sized. But here's the terrifying part. There could be billions of them in our galaxy alone. Planets don't just decide to leave. Space is quiet, not peaceful, not calm, just silent. And sometimes, in that silence, something moves. Recently, NASA detected something that shouldn't exist the way it does. Not a comet, not an asteroid, not a planet orbiting a star, but a world wandering completely alone. Imagine a planet, cold, dark, invisible, floating through the galaxy with no star to orbit, no sunrise, no sunset, no warmth.